Alright guys, we just found out that it's Hannah's 3/4 birthday tonight. We saw something on TikTok where people dress up old and they go bowling, so we're gonna surprise her. Oh.
What are you guys doing dressed as old people?
Why are you holding milk?
Alright, we're about to shotgun some sparkling water.
Let's go! Yeah! Let's go!
I just wanted to cheers to living life, loving more, and letting go.
Let's go! Let's get it! Let's go!
Okay, so my in-ground pool has been under construction. So I just got an above ground pool.
Yo.
Adam, what are you doing?
Let's go!
No!
Dude! Adam! Yo! He's passed out. Call an ambulance. We need an ambulance.
You're gonna be okay. IV's running good. I'll come back.
Oh no. Dang, are you okay? Guys, make sure you send Adam your well wishes, thoughts, and prayers. You do.
Let's go!
Wait, no. Oh. No, don't drink that! Oh.
Let's go!